Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is a decorate the coffee table. Special shout out to Havertys of Altamonte Springs, Florida. That is where I got this beautiful piece of furniture, a Beckley Weathered Charcoal table. And as you can see, I also got the furniture care kit as well in order to make sure I maintain the furniture and keep everything clean, polished, and in tip-top shape. So before I decorate, of course, I'm going to use the products from the furniture kit or the furniture care kit to make sure that this furniture maintains its natural shine throughout the duration of me having it. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and do the cleaning of the items that I'm going to use, as well as start decorating the table. Please enjoy the video. The big reveal is coming up next, just to show you the final product of how the decoration turned out. Again, I want to thank Havertys in Altamonte Springs, Florida. Special shout out to Greg, the salesperson who assisted me. Havertys has wonderful furniture. If you are in need of unique quality furniture at very affordable prices, make sure you contact or visit your local Havertys store. The home decor items to create this look or this design came from Amazon, Home Goods, and a new store, Inspire Me Home Decor online storefront. I integrated something new here, a shell pattern. These treasure boxes came from Home Goods. The gold and the floral arrangement really adds character or a pop of color against this charcoal, weathered charcoal coffee table. The floral arrangement creates a centerpiece and a focal point. As you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful table. It is on wheels, so I can easily relocate it to another part of the living room or anywhere else in the house. I've topped off the tabletop with signature books just to create another focal point. And as you can see, I've integrated the gold from the tray with the Inspire Me Home Decor candle holders, little accent pieces on the tray, and I've carried that color over to the floral arrangement with the gold glasses. And of course, there is a tint of gold in the floral arrangement or the flowers themselves. This color palette is a complementary accent to the weathered wood look of the table. You can see the front, that shows somewhat of a distressed dark wood, light wood pattern, this table is absolutely beautiful. Make sure you check out your local Havertys store in whatever city and state you live in. If this item is something that will make your space unique and exactly what you want it to be. The table is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, the detail in the table itself makes it a statement piece all by itself, even before you decorate it. Again, you want to make sure you get the Furniture Care Starter Kit in order to protect your furniture investment, protect the wood, the leather, the cloth. All of those packets are there for you to use. Here's another picture of the final look, and I thank you for watching. This is Freddie of Freddie King's Home Decor. Make sure you connect with me again soon. Hit that notification bell so you will always be notified of future video uploads. And until then, bye-bye.